back
Wait a
in the
minute.
United States.
Alright, may have to talk a little louder because I'm not sure how much this thing has got.
Okay, we're opening the packages. We just got back from New York. I think this is the box that we were told is the special one, but I can't tell, so here we go. Watch out, Ginger. Ignore our mess, because our house is a disaster right now. No time to clean. Let's see. I'm not sure what's in this box. This might not be the box. This box says from Toto Girls, Cape Henry, New York. Link, card game. I don't think this is the box. Toss up. Thank you, whoever sent these. Mmm, truffles. This is what I need. Eat that. Notepad. I feel like I won the Woodall. Ooh, Dr. Scholl's. What is this? Ooh, wax kit. Need that. I'll shave no more. Ooh, my Ghirardelli peppermint bark that you don't like, Brandy. Good thing. I think this is the box. More notepads. God, these peanuts are sticking to me. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Brandy, help me. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh! Yay! It's a waxing thing. So you can do your own stuff. Yeah, your own stuff. So I don't have to take this to the salon anymore.
Whatever, I'm not supposed to do with that.
Okay. Thank you. Next box. Sorry, ladies, we're making a mess. Going quickly.
I did it.
This one is from Mongolia and Vermont. Girls, y'all quit playing, please. Kids, you can't take them anywhere.
You're not taking it anywhere.
I know. You're supposed to be helping me make a mess. Sherry. Enclosed are items that are made and or produced in Vermont. Although some of them may be able to be found outside of Vermont, they are quite unique to Vermont and probably would not be found elsewhere. I know you will enjoy eating the very tasty products that are made here in Vermont. Sorry to hear about your illness, and you and your family are in our prayers. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Michael, it's cold outside, from Craigslist. I'm not sure who that is.
Blueberry pancakes.
Pancakes. And maple buttermilk pancakes.
Are those the same as regular pancakes?
I don't know. Pure maple sugar candy. Yummy. What else is in there?
Maple cream cookies.
And, ooh, maple syrup. Real Vermont. Pure Vermont maple syrup.
And
Some kind of jelly, maybe?
strawberry.
Okay, this is from North Carolina, Longstreet. Let's see, I'll pack it.
Excuse you.
I wonder if it's the other packages are still at the place we haven't gotten to yet. Okay.
Read the card first.
I am going to read the card. There's... Okay, you're going to have to read. I can't read. You know me.
There is a circle of caring all around, and you are right in the middle. Share with lots of love and hugs your Toto friends.
Okay, what's in here? Kleenexes. I don't know. Oh, this is it. It's a quilt. Oh. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. Thank you guys. Cora.
Finally.
I'll have to look at it a little bit better in a minute. Here, Brandon, you can hold it up. It's a beautiful quilt. Thank you, everybody. Okay, you gotta turn the camera off. I can't take no more.
There's still one more.
I know, but I don't. This is the one I want to